Hey beauties! आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ एक ज़बरदस्त प्रोडक्ट Shade Story Be Bold Kohl Kajal.
I really love its colors, and the best thing about these kajal pencils are that they are totally smudge proof, waterproof, and can stay up to 12 hours. You can clearly see that how pretty these colors are, and they just glide.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we
Grab the deal before it gets out of stock. Thank you.